Nothing like when you're about to finish your hair, you get so excited. Look, this look. Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you're all doing really well. So today's video, I am going to be braiding my hair because my hair, I took it out of my twist braid that I had not long ago, but because it's a bit cold at the moment, I don't want to leave it out. Just because, yeah, I want to have it in braid. Alright, so the hair that I'm going to be using today is this hair here. So I'm doing, this is what I'm using. I'm just doing literally braiding the tiniest and just leaving it as it is, just because the hair is really nice and soft. It's supposed to be like soft and easy to, like, you know, to braid with. So hopefully I will have some nice knotless braids. So things you need, obviously you need your hair, and then I've got my comb. One is for dividing and the other one's to brush it out. So what I've gone ahead and done is I've cut the hair, because so this is the hair here. I've gone ahead and cut it because I really don't want like the longest, you know, hair. I might even, this is how short it is. And because I want a bob, I think this is pretty good. So I ended up starting with the back section, because it was just easier for me to, it took me a while to figure out like what style I wanted to do. Okay, so I've done one side of the back section. Like I said, it took me a while to figure out exactly what I wanted. This is it so far. So far so good. Okay, so I finally finished the back section, which is exciting. I really love it so far. So far it's going really good. So yeah, I still have a bit more time, so I think I'm gonna do these ones here and leave these for like later or something. Because so I finished the back half, and like pretty much all I have left is the front part left. I'm just like, I ended up not wanting to, I could have finished it last night because, so it's the next morning. I could not be bothered finishing this hair last night. I could have, because technically I had done half of the head and there was literally only the front ones left, but I was just too tired and buggered for me to try and like finish this hair. So I literally just did halfway and I was like, yep, okay, I'm done. I think by 6 o'clock I was like, yeah, okay, I'm done for the day. But if I had really put in more effort, I would have like done it, but I just didn't want to be standing braiding my hair at like 7 in the evening. So yeah, but this is it here so far. I'm really loving it. That's it. I actually really love this hair. I think I'm probably going to shorten it. I have to wear a different t-shirt once I'm done so you guys can see the whole full thing. But for now, let's continue on to the next part of the hair, which is the front part. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, guys. I am so close to finishing. Look at my hair. Look at it. Nothing like when you're about to finish your hair. You get so excited. Look! This looks amazing. Like, can we just talk about how bouncy? Look at that. And I've only got this much left. Okay, I am so close to finishing. I am so excited right now. Okay, so far I've used 1.5 packets, so I've only got one more half left, so that means I would have just used 2 packets and that's it. So I actually really like these. Okay, so I finally finished the hair, guys. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. This turned out really great. I really love this style. That's it there. It's not too briefy, which is great because I don't like when my hair is a bit too much. So this is perfect for the length that I'm after. I feel like I probably want to just maybe just cut it up just a little bit. But other than that, that's it. I did it. Like, this is the hair. How nice is that? I am so excited. Thank you so much for watching if you watched it all the way to the end. Yeah, stay tuned for more hairstyle. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.